What's up, everybody? It's your boy Angel. It's been a long time since I recorded a video, or the last video that I recorded. I got a lot of news. We moved from Vacaville to Woodland. Now we're residing in Woodland. We got the plan, the trust plan in Woodland. Over there, we just had the offices, the warehouse, and the shop. But now we have moved to another facility, which was established about 2 years ago. Roughly, probably a little more. And they build walls and they do trussing here. So we came to join them, and I'm here to do new challenges, new ways of, fixing things, repairing stuff, having fun, moving forward, and just do what I like, fixing tools, making videos, and talk to you guys. All right. So right now, I'm just, just talking to you guys. Just want to give you a little tour of my office. This is my new office. They actually built it. Not the whole building, but they built the office. See, I got my toys over here, so you can see them. Yeah, there you go. See, I got my right here. I got my shark. And then I got Rosie and Dragon Balls. I got He-Man, and I just got my toys over here, El Chapo, and I got some stickers. All right, but I want to show you, a little something. I want to show you what happened, what we did. We got a brand new store, and I'm really happy about it. I want to show you guys, because I'm very proud of how it came out. So check this out. So over here we got the wall, and in this wall we got all the formats. We've been giving away this award that my last boss and I developed. He quit, by the way, so I'm no longer work for David Stell. That was his name. I work for a different boss now, which is named Jeff. I got my friend over here. Couldn't escape the wall. Not Trump wall, but it's another wall. So here's my store. This is the store. I got more stuff over here. So got my other computer over here, so I can log in and then do my printing on my printer. So I got my consumables over here in the back. I got everything the foreman's might need, for the everyday grind. Got the consumables. I got the safety stuff over here. Yo-yos, slings. Got the gas cans, diesel cans, gas cans, and just the everyday, consumables that guys use out there. I'm gonna show you a little bit of my shop. So this is the actual, this is the place. So we moved to this building, over here. I just got all the rest of the stuff that, that we moved from the other building over here. So this is my shop. This is the new shop. We pretty much got, everything from the shop. You got, I'm very happy. I'm very proud, how it came out. So pretty soon, when I start working on new projects like this generator right here, actually got one running in the back over there. I already got it running, but I'm gonna work on this one right now. Well, not right now. First, I'm gonna work on the gun, then I'm gonna work on the generator. So stay tuned. Great things are coming. I'm gonna be doing a lot more. So, if you guys got a comment, questions, just let me know. Please, thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, it's good boy Angel, I'll be showing you the rest of my wonderful place. All right, so let's just begin with a little bit of a new tool that I haven't fixed. I ordered the parts, and we're just gonna get to it momentarily. Okay, so this is the tool that we're gonna fix. Says the parts, says the tool. So we're gonna get to it. Your boy Angel, the shop.